Can an LLC file 1065? Yes, a multi-member LLC must file Form 1065 with the IRS. By default, the IRS treats a multi-member LLC as a partnership for tax purposes. Form 1065 is an informational return that reports the LLC's income, deductions, and other financial details, but the LLC itself does not pay federal income tax. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the members, who each receive a Schedule K-1 from the LLC. The K-1 shows their share of income, deductions, and credits, which they then report on their personal tax returns. This structure avoids double taxation while still requiring the LLC to file paperwork with the IRS. If an LLC has only one member, it does not file Form 1065. Instead, it reports income on Schedule C unless it has elected to be taxed as a corporation. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep your tax filings on track, including Form 1065 for multi-member LLCs. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.